Good morning everyone. This is Pavani. Hope everyone is fine. Today I would like to take for 8th standard the fun they had. It is an interesting lesson. So let us see the lesson. Okay. Now the fun they had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Even you can say here as it Margie is proper noun. You can call it as Margie or Margie. Okay. So better we call it as Margie here. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. So in her diary she has written something. What is that? On the page headed 17 May 2157 she wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Okay, she has written in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. Okay, many children are having the habit of writing diary, isn't it? So here the girl, what is the name of the girl? Margie. What she has written? She has written in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. Then it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. So here you need to understand it was very old book. Okay, it was very old book when Margie's grandfather, okay, no, not Margie's father here. Margie's grandfather once said that he was a little boy. When her grandfather was a little boy, okay, that little boy's grandfather means great grandfather, okay, ancestors. So now he had told him that the stories used to print in those days on the paper, okay. Who told? Margie's grandfather told her that when he was a little boy, his grandfather, okay, Margie's grandfather's grandfather, got it? Then they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. So what is the meaning of crinkly here? Crinkly means with many folds or lines. See, many days, okay, many years. For example, in the movies also we can see, if at all if they want to know some information, immediately they go to the library to find the book. So once when they turn the pages, so how the pages will be very crinkly. Many years back, if the pages, okay, in the movies they show that it is very good, okay, only somewhat it is bad. But if we go and if we see, all the papers will be like folded, the lines will form and we cannot open. Now the page directly I can open like this, right? So but whereas the old book, can we open the pages like this? All the pages will it come? So slowly we have to. Why? Because the paper quality becomes what? Very like what? It becomes, the paper will become very thin. If at all if we turn the pages, the paper may tear, okay. So because of that we have to turn very slowly, okay. So now here they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So now what happened? That the stories used to print on the paper in those days. So once when they were turning the papers, they were yellow and crinkly, okay. For example, if we have written after a few days because of water or some otherwise the ink blotted on the next paper, so if we can see the like impression, we can see on the next page, right? Otherwise beside the word we can see the ink impression, okay. So now see here, Guy said, Tommy, what a waste. When you are thorough with the book, you just throw it away. So, Guy means who? Guy means who? Guy means Margie. Said Tommy, what a waste. When you are thorough with the book, you just throw it away. So now Margie is telling to Tommy that, okay, already you have gone through the book. Still what you are seeing in the book? Okay, if at all if you have gone through it, everything, just throw it away, she said. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good plenty for more. I wouldn't throw it away. So now what happened here? What Margie was telling, why you're wasting time on seeing this book, this much time. Already you have gone through the book. So you throw the book away. Like that she was saying. Why? Because it is a playtime. He has to play with her. Okay, Tommy has to play with Margie. So because of that she was telling him. Then what she said, even in the television we can see many years ago what were the books we can see in the television, what you are going on reading that book without playing with me, okay. And then so what that fellow said, I wouldn't throw it away, I will not throw it away, he said. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and had seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So Margie is of how many years old? Margie is of how many years old? She was 11 years old and Tommy was of 13 years old. Compared to her, 2 years, 2 years, okay, elder, okay. So now he was elder than her. Now Tommy, what he has done? She said, where did you find it? So when he was reading the book, Margie asked him, Tommy, where did you find that book? Then what he said, in my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. So he was not even looking at her and telling that where did he find that book. He was busy in reading that book. Just he pointed towards the place from where he got that book. Okay. So where he has pointed towards the attic. Okay. So what is the meaning of attic? Attic means a space just below the roof. Nothing but storeroom we can say. A space just below the roof. Okay. In a storeroom I found that book. So I was reading. Then what's it about? So you're that much like what? You're not giving concentration towards me and you're going on reading. What's the book about? Then what this boy said? School. It's about school, he said. Then Margie was scornful. Why Margie was scornful? Contemptuous, or you can understand think something is worthless. So according to Margie, school is worthless. Okay. She don't like the school. So she feels it's a worthless. Okay. Worthless thing. Then what's there to write about school? I hate school. So what she said? What is there to write about school? I hate school, she said. Then Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. So actually she hates school, but now at this moment she hates school more than ever because this fellow is not playing with her, but he was continuously reading that book. So even more she hates the school now. So the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. So now what is mechanical teacher? In future, if at all, if you think in future everything we are going to have like what system and mechanical teacher. If you go to the foreign countries, some parents they don't like to send their children to the school. So what do? They will on the like what projector or the screen, whatever it may be, they on in their house. The mechanical teacher already will be on. Now what is happening here? Now you can understand here. Now in all the schools what they are taking online classes, even like what college, everyone is taking online classes because of this pandemic situation, right? So in the same manner in other countries, what do? If they don't want to send their child to the school, they used to have the school in the house itself. So now here like Margie never goes to the outside school. Okay, in her house only there is a classroom for us and it is only her school. So why she hate more than ever? Because the mechanical teacher means the one who is teaching in the system, okay, like online, had been giving her test after test in geography. In which subject the teacher is giving her test? In the subject geography. So you can see the picture, right children? You can see in the picture. This is the picture. Okay, the mechanical teacher is on, and now see here like what the mechanical teacher is doing. She is giving some homework and the test. Okay, so in this way the child has to learn. Now here, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So now what happened? County inspector means the person who does the repair of the system. Okay, so now what happened here? The child is facing difficulty that every time she was getting less marks. So why my child is getting less marks? Mother was worried a lot and immediately she has sent for the county inspector. So here county inspector means the person who operates the system. If at all, if it is there, if any repair is there, he will look after that. Okay, immediately he called for that fellow. Who? Margie's mother. Then he was a round little man. How was the county inspector here? He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. So whenever, if for example to our house only, if anything goes wrong in our house, some mechanical person will come to repair whatever is gone wrong in our house. So now here also he has come with the toolbox, with all the instruments. Then he smiled at Margie. By seeing this little girl, he gave a smile. Who? The county inspector gave a smile towards that girl and gave her an apple. So what he was carrying an apple and he has given to that girl. Then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Already the mechanical teacher was on, and once when he opened the system, what happens? Everything will vanish out. Okay, so the teacher is also not there in the system. So now what this girl was thinking? Again this fellow maybe he doesn't know how to insert everything, so I cannot see the teacher again, so I can escape from this geography subject, she understood. But what had happened here? Then now see here, Margie had hope he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew. She thought that maybe this fellow doesn't know how to put everything again. Okay, he opened it, no, so she thought that he don't know how to put, but he knew it. After an hour or so, there it was again. After an hour again, she can see the mechanical teacher on, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Again she can see all the questions were there and the teachers were asking the questions. That wasn't so bad, the part Margie hated most. So now she hate most, okay, because again she thought that, she was expecting that, okay, she can escape from that. Was a slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Slot means what? A given space, okay. In the system there is a place for her where the questions are asked, she has to answer in that particular place, okay. Then she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So she used to write in a punch code, okay. They made her learn when she was 6 years old how to write, okay, in punch code. Her parents have given the training, so because of that now she is able to write the answers, and the mechanical teachers within no time they calculate her marks. The inspector had smiled and patted Margie's head. Patted means what? For example, if we see any child who is very attractive, immediately we try to hold their cheeks. Otherwise, we try to pat their heads. You are looking so good. Something will do like that. Okay. So even the county inspector, what he has done, he gave a smile at Margie and he patted her head. Okay. He patted her head means he did like this. And after he had finished, he said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." What is her mother name? Mrs. Jones. Whose mother name? Mr. Margie. Like what? Margie's mother name is Mrs. Jones. Okay. So now what the county inspector said to Mrs. Jones, it's not the problem of your daughter, madam. It's the problem of the system. Okay. So your daughter is perfectly all right, and her like what grade is also good, like that he said. So I think the geography sector was get a little too quickly. Get means what? Adjusted to a particular standard or level. Adjusted to a particular standard or level. Okay. So now what the county inspector said, maybe because of the geography sector, it was quite adjusted to not to her level. Okay, because of that she is facing a problem, he said. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. So she is of how many years age? 11 years old, no? So up to 10 years he made that system. Okay, so that whatever the questions are asked, she can answer those questions. The overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Actually, your daughter's progress was very good. It is quite satisfactory, he said. And he patted Margie's head again. While going again, he patted her head and he went. There is no, like what, in your daughter, no problem. Actually, there is a problem in the geography sector. Because of that, your daughter is unable to answer the question. So now I made it at the age of 10 years level so that your daughter can answer. He said like that and he left the place. Margie was disappointed now. Now what happened? Margie was disappointed. She thought, she was expecting that, okay, that fellow doesn't know how to insert everything, so I can escape from this geography subject. But he did everything. Then she was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Why she was expecting like that? Because her neighbor Tommy, okay, her teacher, history subject teacher, also was taken away because of some problem. So she thought that maybe my geography teacher also will be taken away, she thought, but it was not happened like that. Then, so she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about a school? Actually, why someone should write about a school? She said. Then Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, as if he knows everything about, like that. He gave a look towards that girl. And what he said? Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. So what he said, it's not like our kind of school. What they are doing, they are staying in the house and they are learning. But it's not like our kind of school. this is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds years of ago. So 100 years of ago, how was the school? All the children go to one place and they used to study. Not like us, we are sitting alone, we are sitting in our house like as it is a school, but it's not our it's not like us. Okay, he added loftily. Loftily means in a superior way. Okay, pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago. Centuries ago. Century means what? Hundreds of years ago. What is the meaning of loftily? In a superior way, he said. Okay, then Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of a school they had all that time ago. Okay, now you are making fun of me. I don't know about what was that kind of school 100 years ago. Okay, like that she said. Then she read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So now what happened? Now for example, you think I am Tommy. Okay, now what the Margie has done, she has come back onto the shoulder of Tommy. She bent a little. For example, my hand, you assume that she is Margie and I am Tommy. So she was back of my shoulder and looking into the book and reading what he was reading. Okay, but she didn't understand, and she said, anyhow, there is a teacher only now. Even we too have a teacher and they too have also a teacher. Like that she said. Then what Tommy said for her question. Now see here. Then she read the book over his shoulder for a while and then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It wasn't a man. Yes, of course, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. Regular teacher, nothing but mechanical teacher. It was a man who was teaching there. For them, who is teaching here? For them, a lady teacher is teaching, and for them, there it was a man. That is the difference he told her. Then a man, how could a man be a teacher? Now this girl is saying, how could a man be a teacher? Then, well, he just told the boys and the girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So now he has given them some questions and answers like that. I was reading, and then again this girl started. A man isn't smart enough. A man doesn't know anything. He is not that much smart enough to teach to the children. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Why you're saying a man can't teach? Okay, my father knows as much as my teacher. Compared to my teacher, my father only knows more. Who said? Tommy said to that girl. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Okay, so what he's saying, betcha means I'm sure. What is the meaning of betcha? I'm sure. So now what this boy is saying, yes, almost my father knows what my teacher knows. Compared to her, my father only knows more. Okay, then Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Dispute means disagree. She don't want to argue with that fellow now. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Okay, but I don't want any man to teach me in my house, she said. Then Tommy screamed with laughter. So screamed means he was shouting and he was laughing at that girl. You don't know much, Margie. So what he said, you don't know much, Margie, he said. The teachers didn't live in the house. So the teachers didn't live in the house. Whereas the teachers, they are teaching for them like mechanical teachers they are. So these children, Margie and Tommy, they are sitting in the house and they are listening to the classes. But whereas the old schools are of different schools, the teacher will go to the school and all the children must go to the same school. And here Tommy is sitting in his house and Margie is sitting in her house. Both are not sitting together to watch the classes, and both doesn't belong to the same class even. Okay, so now here what he is trying to say, all the children will go to the class and all the children, those who belong to the same class, all will sit in the same classroom. But here we are not sitting like that, he is trying to say. So now see here. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They are having a special building that is called school. Okay. And all will go to that place. And all the kids learn the same thing. So here, for example, you are learning something. Your mechanical teacher is teaching something. In another house, in the neighbor's house of your class, the one who belongs to same your class, he is learning some other thing from the mechanical teacher. But there, what the teacher is teaching particularly one day, everyone will learn the same thing. One will learn, one row will learn one thing, one row will learn one thing. It's not like that. Everyone is listening to that particular teacher, what she is teaching, and they will learn the same thing. Okay, he said to that girl. Then and all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age, if at all if they belong to the same age, same class, they are listening the same topic. Okay, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. If it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So what this girl is saying, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. So like what the teacher has to understand the psychology of the child here. Okay, some children will learn very fast, some are slow learners. So according to the children, the teacher has to teach. Okay, she has to go to their level and she has to teach. Now just the same, they didn't do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So okay, all everything you are arguing with me, Margie. So if at all, if you don't want to read the book, if you don't want to know the information of those old kind of schools, you go away from here. Why you are disturbing me like that? Who said? Tommy said to Margie. Then now what she said, I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. Immediately she got angry when this fellow said like that. Did I tell you that I don't like it? Then she wanted to read about those funny schools. Okay, I too want to know about those funny schools and I too want to read, she said. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. So they didn't finish the book still. Half of the book also have not completed. But in the meanwhile, Margie's mother was calling, Margie, it's time up. You have to go to your school. Go to your school in the sense in the house itself, in one room. Okay. Then Margie looked up. Not at mama. She said, not at mama. Now itself I don't want to listen the class. Now itself ma'am will not come. Then, now, said Mrs. Jones, just now you have to come immediately and it's probably time for Tommy too. Even Tommy is also has to attend the class now. For Tommy also time up. He also will attend. Both of you move from that place, she said. Then Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after the school? So she asked the permission that, okay, after my school hours, I'll come to you and I'll join with you to read the continuation part of this story. Then maybe, he said nonchalantly. What is the meaning of nonchalantly? Not showing interest. Why? Because this girl doesn't like and she is arguing, no? So actually he don't want her to read that book, but just he said, okay, you can. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest. Okay. Then he walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So the dusty old book, where was the book? The book was in the attic. Okay. So completely the book is having complete dust. So he dusted it and he tucked under his arm and he went. Okay. Then Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. So where was her schoolroom? Right next to, adjacent to the bedroom, there was a schoolroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Already the mechanical teacher was on and she was waiting for this girl to come. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So up to Friday, Monday to Friday, every day she'll be having the classes except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Why? Because her mother's intention is from Monday to Friday it's enough for my daughter, so that like Saturday and Sunday she can revise all. Okay, that's enough. It is whose feeling? Mother's feeling. Then the screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So now the screen lit up. It has started. The class has started and the mechanical teacher is telling that today's arithmetic lesson. What is the topic? Arithmetic. And it is on addition of proper fractions. Okay. Then the teacher asked her to insert, keep your homework in proper slot, she said. Then Margie did so with a sigh. With a sigh means, like that she said. Okay, why? Because she is not interested. With a great sigh, she said, oh, like that. Then she was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. So already grandfather, he said her that when I was a little boy, my grandfather told me about the books, no, about the stories, how was the school. So she was thinking about that, sitting in front of the mechanical class, and she was thinking about all those days. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. So grandfather told her that all we used to go, all of our friends, we used to go together to the school and we used to have lot of fun together, like that he said. So thinking all those things, she sat in front of the mechanical classroom, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So they used to have all together, used to sit in one place. Okay. And they used to have their lunch, and in the evening time they used to go together to their houses by talking what had happened in the class and what were the jokes and everything. They used to talk while they are going to their home. So they learned the same thing, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. So all the children have learned the same topic in the classroom. So if at all, if one child didn't understand, he can help his friend. Okay, of different subjects they are learning in the class, all of them learning the same subject, so they can help one another if at all if they face any problem. Okay, and the teachers were people here, not the mechanical teacher, but they were the people. Okay, the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. Now this girl is not at all concentrating, so she was flashing on the screen. What happened to you? Like that. Then when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, like that she started telling, but her concentration is completely on what grandfather said and what this Tommy read in the book. Okay, then Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So now Margie started thinking about the old schools. Her grandfather also told about all these things. Even Tommy also read in the book and he also said. So now she started thinking about the old schools, how they were in those days and what was the fun they had in those days, how they have enjoyed. Now they don't have that sort of enjoyment. Okay, so she was thinking about the enjoyment what the grandfathers in those days they had. Okay, and even they read in the books also, they also want to have the same enjoyment, but as they are living in some other country they cannot. Okay, so this was the feeling of the Margie when she read with Tommy, and also she got the information from her grandfather. Okay, so this was about the fun they had. I hope everyone have understood. So once you read the lesson, then you will get a clear understanding. Okay, so again in the next class with the next topic I will meet you. So thank you one and all.